So friends, today we will explore which bearing takes highest load, right? So bearing load capacity depends mainly on speed. As the speed increases, load carrying capacity decreases. Reverse is also true. Speed decreases, load carrying capacity increases. There are two types of load that acting on the bearings. One is the radial load, another is a axial load. So deep groove ball bearings takes highest load on highest speed, and taper roller bearings takes highest load on lowest speed. Here is the chart. You can see radial load, axial load, speed and misalignment. You can notice as the speed decreases, load carrying capacity increases. Reverse is also true. As the speed increases, deep groove ball bearing is the highest bearing which takes highest load, and the taper roller bearing is the highest load carrying capacity on lowest speed. Hope you have find this information useful. Please comment your views and subscribe the channel. Thank you.